Imagine having a co-founder who never sleeps, brainstorming ideas, designing your UI, analyzing your data, and even building your app instantly. That's ChatGPT. And today, I'm bringing you the Master ChatGPT tutorial, your ultimate guide to bringing ideas to life. If you're ready to build, learn, and create with AI, subscribe to WeCodeNoCode and let's unlock its full power together.
All right. First, head over to chat.openai.com. You can log in using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account, whichever you prefer. Think of this space as your creative studio, the place where every idea, every spark of inspiration begins to take shape. Once you're in, click on New Chat, and that's your blank canvas. Here you can chat, upload, talk, or even draw. It's all about bringing your imagination to life. Let's kick things off with a few prompts.
First, we'll say, act as a startup mentor and brainstorm 3 AI app ideas for pet owners. This is where the magic begins. The AI steps into the role of your co-founder, your creative partner in brainstorming. In seconds, it'll generate unique, startup-ready ideas that pet owners would actually love. Smart, playful, and ready to build. It has also generated a quick market comparison and suggested a follow-up question, helping you refine the idea and turn it into a complete startup blueprint.
Second prompt, we will say, write a tweet prompting a no-code app that builds itself. This lets the AI craft a punchy, scroll-stopping tweet that highlights the app's magic and simplicity. In seconds, you'll get a ready-to-share tweet that grabs attention and sparks curiosity. It has also generated relevant hashtags to boost reach and engagement. Third prompt, we will say, explain quantum computing like I'm 10 years old. This lets the AI break down complex tech into simple, playful explanations. In seconds, you'll get a clear, easy-to-understand answer that makes quantum computing fun and approachable.
It also has a cool feature. Instead of typing, you can just speak. Tap the microphone, share your idea, and watch the AI respond instantly. It's like having a conversation with your smartest co-founder right inside the app. Need to show ChatGPT something? Just drag and drop it. Here, I've uploaded a quarterly report from Alphabet. ChatGPT instantly indexes the entire PDF, making it ready for deep search and smart analysis. You can ask anything, from financial results and segment performance to key insights and trends. In this example, let's ask for the financial results. And within seconds, ChatGPT delivers clear, concise details from the report, perfectly formatted just the way you want.
Want to show ChatGPT your app design? Just paste the screenshots of your app, then ask, suggest 3 UI improvements, and write a product description for this app. In seconds, ChatGPT analyzes your design, recommends smart UI improvements, and crafts a polished product description, ready to share, pitch, or publish. ChatGPT's suggested UI improvements such as live previews, adjustable styles, clearer feedback with bigger buttons, and seamless access to cards and history. It also generated a product description after analyzing our screenshots. Let's take it to the next level. I'm uploading a CSV file of sales data. Just drag and drop your file here. Next, I'll show you how to create a full dashboard summary with beautiful interactive charts. And all of it happens just by using a single prompt. Watch this. ChatGPT has already generated stunning graphs based on the data from our CSV file. Let's take it a step further. I'm going to ask it to create a donut chart. And just like that, it's done in a single prompt. You can use different prompts to generate various graphs and visualizations. Need visuals? Just type what you imagine. Let's turn your ideas into stunning images. Let's provide one prompt to generate the image. A beautiful professional woman in a sleeveless top, sitting at a sleek laptop on a wooden table in a lush garden, interacting with a colorful AI dashboard filled with charts and graphs. Sunlight streams through the leaves, creating vibrant, natural colors. It's photorealistic, with a shallow depth of field, cinematic lighting, and an engaging UGC-style composition, perfect for social media posts and eye-catching thumbnails. See how beautifully ChatGPT has generated an image with the prompt we have provided?
Let's try one more example. We'll give another prompt. A stylish woman wearing a sleeveless outfit, sitting on a beach with a laptop on her lap, working on an AI dashboard showing colorful charts, golden hour sunlight, waves in the background, bright and lively colors, photorealistic, cinematic composition, highly shareable and viral ready for social media. And again, it has generated a beautiful image with the prompt we have provided. Next, we're diving into something fascinating, the difference between normal mode and thinking mode in AI tools like ChatGPT. You've probably seen these options or heard people say, thinking mode gives deeper, smarter answers. But what's really happening behind the scenes? Let's break it down with simple examples. Let's start with normal mode, your AI's quick response mode. Say you ask, plan a 3-day trip to Japan on a $2,000 budget. Normal mode instantly gives you a clean summary, a basic itinerary, hotel ideas, rough costs, and quick tips, all in under 25 seconds. It's like talking to a smart travel buddy, fast, practical, and to the point. You get what you need right away. But here's the thing, normal mode doesn't deeply analyze context or trade-offs. It won't check which route is best or whether that plan still makes sense in this season. So it's perfect for speed and simplicity, but it may miss depth and reasoning. Now, let's switch to thinking mode. It takes the same question, but instead of replying instantly, the AI pauses to reason things out. It's like asking a travel expert instead of a quick buddy. The AI compares flight prices, transport options, and balances time versus cost to build a smarter, more context-aware plan. For example, it might say, if you're flying from Delhi, budget around $500 for flights. Stay near Shinjuku for better connectivity, use the 72-hour Subway Pass, and spend 1 day each at Asakusa, Shibuya, and Tsukuji. See the difference? This version feels researched, structured, and logical because the AI took a few extra seconds to think. So thinking mode is all about quality over speed, like giving the AI time to think before speaking. Use normal mode for quick summaries or light tasks, and thinking mode when you need deeper reasoning or creative decisions. Both use the same model, but one moves fast and the other thinks deeper. So that's the breakdown. Normal mode is like a fast, helpful assistant, and thinking mode is like a thoughtful consultant who takes a breath before answering. If you are enjoying and learning something new, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel grow and brings you more videos like this. Next, we're diving into some of the most powerful and game-changing features that make AI tools like ChatGPT smarter than ever. Deep research, study and learn, web search, and Canvas. These take AI far beyond just chatting, turning it into your research analyst, study partner, and creative workspace, all in one. Let's break each one down with real examples and why they matter to you. Let's start with deep research. Think of it as giving the AI a magnifying glass and extra time to think. Instead of quick surface-level answers, it pauses, cross-checks facts, explores multiple sources, and builds an in-depth summary. For example, if you ask, what's the impact of AI on Japan's tourism industry in 2025? Normal mode gives a short summary, but deep research analyzes reports, compares data, and gives you a structured, evidence-backed answer, like a personal research assistant who reads everything and then explains it simply. Use deep research for business insights, academic work, or whenever you need depth and accuracy. And the best part? Deep research dives into every angle, trend, and possibility before giving the final answer. It fuses the speed of AI with human-like reasoning, helping you uncover insights. Whether you're crafting a report, validating an idea, or exploring a new market, deep research keeps your information clear, complete, and rock solid.
Next, we have Study and Learn, a feature built for students, creators, and lifelong learners. When activated, the AI doesn't just answer, it teaches. It explains step by step, summarizes notes, gives memory tips, and quizzes you interactively. For example, ask, "How does compound interest work?" And instead of a brief formula, it walks you through real-life examples, creates quick practice problems, and checks your understanding with mini quizzes. It's like having a 24/7 personal tutor that adapts to your learning style, perfect for mastering any topic, not just memorizing it.
Now, web search. This feature keeps your AI current and super productive. While normal chat relies on older data, web search lets ChatGPT browse the web live, pulling verified info, breaking news, or up-to-date stats. Ask, "What's today's top productivity hack?" or "What's the current stock price of Tesla?" The AI finds it instantly, no outdated guesses. Perfect for staying on top of trends, planning projects, or just crushing your to-do list with real-time info. Now let's explore Canvas, your interactive workspace inside ChatGPT. Here on screen, I've opened Canvas, and let's say we want to build a simple spin wheel game. I start by typing, "Create a simple spin wheel game." And just like that, Canvas builds the entire setup for you. It generates the structure of the spin wheel, defines all 10 prize sections, adds the spin logic, and even creates the layout you can instantly test or modify. Everything appears neatly organized, ready to tweak, style, or expand however you like. Now I'm giving it a quick test, and yep, it works perfectly. Let's try make one simple change. Now I'll say, "Change the colors." And within seconds, the updates appear, refreshed colors, and fully working code. That's the magic of Canvas. It's not just a chat window. It's where you can plan, write, design, and code all in one space. Whether you're building a fun little game, drafting a blog, or designing an app, Canvas helps you move from idea to creation smoothly, visually, and in real time. Now let's check out one of the coolest new additions, apps inside ChatGPT. Think of this like having your favorite tools, Canva, Figma, all available right inside ChatGPT. No switching tabs, no copy-paste chaos, just seamless creation. Here, I've opened Canva inside ChatGPT. Let's say I want to create a quick presentation about the future of AI tools. I simply type, "Create a 5-slide presentation about the future of AI tools." And in seconds, Canva gets to work. ChatGPT connects directly with Canva, designs the slides, adds visuals, layouts, and even text, all automatically. Now I can preview it right here, make edits, or open it in Canva for final touches. It's that simple, from idea to polished presentation, all without ever leaving ChatGPT. And with this, we have covered almost all the key features of ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to WeCodeNoCode to level up your AI skills. And don't forget to comment your favorite AI tool or your best prompt. Keep experimenting, keep building, and unlock the full power of AI in your projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.